Let's see what auto-size text frames can do for us in InDesign and some use cases for them. I'm sure you've experienced the frustration of drawing a text frame, typing into the text frame, increasing the size of your type, only to have it fall out of the frame, to become overset. And then you have to adjust the size of the frame, and you can waste a lot of time that way. So, auto-size to the rescue. And when you auto-size, you can do so within a number of different ways. Here's the first use case. If we have a pull quote in the middle of type, and here I'm going to auto-size by height and width, keeping the proportions. So I'll select that frame, Command or Control B, auto-size, height and width, keep proportions. That means that I can now select the text, increase the size of the text, and you can see that the text frame is increasing to accommodate the text. What if I have a sidebar and I want to enter more text into that sidebar? So here's an example where I want to use height only, sizing from the top. I'll select the frame, Command or Control B, auto size, height only from the top. Now I'm just going to come and select some text here, which I'll copy and then place it right there, and I will paste without formatting. And you can see that the size of my frame grows to accommodate the text. What if you want to run a picture credit alongside an image? This is very useful because these are the kind of things that are very small, they're fussy, and they can take a lot of time, but you can really cut down on that amount of time by setting them up correctly and incorporating these formats into an object style. So here is my picture credit, Command or Control B, auto size. I want this to be sized width only, and so that I don't end up with multiple lines because I want it all to run on one line. I'm choosing no line breaks. That's important in this case. So now I can just come and insert into there the name of my photographer, and you can see that the size of the frame will adjust accordingly, getting smaller or bigger as necessary. What if you want to put a picture caption aligned with the bottom edge of an image, and you might want to change the size of that caption? Well, in this case, what we want is to align to the bottom, height only, and that means that, and I've still got that same text on my clipboard, so I can paste it again, paste without formatting. When I do so, the frame grows from the bottom. So those are some use cases. There are many others, but those are some common use cases for using auto-size text frames.